This is the step jump transition tutorial. Let's go. First, roll in scissor stance. Second step is to be good at rolling backwards in scissor stance. It's actually quite hard, so practice it. Third step is to roll in scissor stance again, but with a non-dominant foot in front of you. Good. Fourth step is to switch between the two stances. From the stance with your non-dominant foot in front of you to the stance with your dominant foot in front of you. First do a 90-degree step, and after that already the full 180 step. And it's really important to first turn with your shoulders. And when the shoulders are turned, only then lift your feet. And when the grass is already too easy, try it on the pavement. Again, don't forget about the shoulders. Now, try it during rolling also. And as you can see, when I land backwards, I put almost all of my weight on my dominant foot, which is in front of me. It's the foot I land on first. Now, try the step with a little jump. And like always, first do it on grass. And then on the road with some speed. There are lots of transitions from forward to backwards out there, but this is the safest way possible when moving on an average or high speed to transition from forward to backwards. As always, let me know if you're gonna try it and how you do. And live dangerously and keep rolling.